some of our members, Phil Gibbons, he was hit by it, but not bad. He told me he didn't even Storm Norman. Y'all know Storm. He got the roof lifted off of his house. He told me he didn't need nothing. So we're going to find the ones that need it the most. Today, as we're going to go in there, you'll sign up. There's a donation can in there. It can be a quarter, it can be a dime, it can be something, but you're going to have to donate to shoot, and that's separate from the raffles, okay? We're here to raise money, and every dollar we raise is going to the people. So that's what we're here to do. What brought you here today?
Just get out and try something new. It looked fun.
Okay. Do you have anybody in the tornado?
No, I did not. I'm not anybody immediate, nothing like that affected, but some distant friends.
Well, you know, I mean, it all happened. It never left the ground in Kentucky, so it's happened to all of us. That's the one great thing about Kentucky. It may be other places, but here, we take care of it. All right, tell everybody who you are.
I'm Randy Morris from Greenwood, Indiana.
And what brought you down here today, Randy?
Well, I met you last summer at SASP National Shoot, and I saw your setup there. I didn't get a chance to shoot it, but it looked intriguing, and thought I'd make the trip.
You drove 5 hours down here to give it a try.
Yeah, and I thought it was a good cause too. I wanted to help out the people of Kentucky.
From Red Brush, Indiana.
What brought you down here today?
We decided to try this challenge for the first time, and also we wanted to help out with the tornado relief.
What do you think about this?
I'm really enjoying it.